Welcome back. Today I'll be going over a few things like the new push bar, how my intake's doing, and what's next. Let's go ahead and jump into it. So there seems to be a series of push bars that Setina makes, and this is the Setina PB100. They make a 200, which is a little bit uglier than this one, 300, which is the most sought after for its thin profile, and it's the one you see the most on the newer Crown Victorias, and the PB 400, 450. Those ones are the ones you see the most either on the Dodge Durangos or on the Ford Explorers. 300 between 350 or the 50 variation is pretty much 300 is just your basic push bar. 350 means accessories with lights. Either it comes with light guards that extend out, or it comes with lights, or it comes with both. So it depends on what the department can afford at the time. Anyways, I think this thing is really freaking cool and is actually pretty functional. For the intake, I haven't seen any problems so far. Nothing leaks, no coolant, no vacuum leaks, no intake leaks as well. I need to change my coolant so I can run my AC, but other than that, it's been a pretty good replacement. The price on this intake was around $250, plus the Felpro gaskets were around $67, around $70 after tax. So altogether, it was a pretty expensive buy, but I would say well worth it. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is these engines are a lot easier to work on than a lot of people give them. No vacuum leaks, no coolant leaks. Everything seems to be running pretty okay. And as for what's next, I'm probably going to be working on removing 2 of the catalytic converters of the 4 that are on here. I'll also be doing a transmission fluid and filter replacement on this one, as I don't know how long it's been. The fluid's starting to get a little bit dark, so I want to get that changed out as soon as possible. I'll be adding some more lights to this thing, probably on the push bar or hidden behind the grill. Something like that, just to add more lights to the control box that I have. I've got 4 slots and 3 of them are open, so might as well fill them. Another modification I want to make soon is going to be putting a hitch receiver on this thing. So I can put a cargo holder in the back, essentially load up my mini bike on the back without having to put it in the back seat. Alright, and as always, send it.
You boys like Mexico?